Laying the other columns of panels. When laying another column of panels, always start from the upper edge of the roof. Before laying the first panel, it is necessary to lay the circuit closing connector. Lift the panel with the adhesive EPDM tape applied on it into the target position and connect all conductors. Then screw down the main pressure strip again, but this time fix it using all the screws. Make sure that the last two screws remain loose until the power panel is inserted. Also temporarily add a new pressure strip, fixed with 2 or 3 screws, to the right side of the panel. The pressure strips hold down the panels in place and seal the joint. Similarly to the support profiles, the pressure strips are finished with the EPDM gasket. Note that the edge of the panel does not adhere tightly to the ribs of the pressure strip. The free space allows for an adjustment of the panel position if necessary. Once the first panel has been fixed, repeat the procedure until all the panels in the column are seated. When installing the last panel, you must remember to interconnect adjacent optimizers according to the wiring diagram. Repeat these steps until the entire roof slope is covered with panels. When installing the last panel on the entire roof, remember to connect the circuit closing connector to the optimizer. You have already routed it according to the wiring diagram.